Hi everyone and welcome to Owen's kitchen. This beautiful bean sprout, I grew this at home. This is easy to grow and this is a result of my bean sprout after 5 days of growing from seeds. And today I'm going to share one of my favorite recipe, chicken chow mein with bean sprout. And we need egg noodles, bean sprout and carrot, pak choy, chicken, spring onion, fresh coriander, ginger, garlic, and egg, onion. And this beautiful dish, tasty and easy to make it at home. You can add any kind of vegetable and more chicken into this. And I'm going to marinate chicken, half teaspoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, and a little bit of sesame oil and white pepper, some salt, and mix them together. Just leave it aside. I'm gonna start with my sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and half cup chicken stock. Mix all together, keep aside. Beat the egg, little bit of salt and pepper. Then heat the pan and add a small amount of oil and fry the egg about just 1 minute. Then transfer into a dish. Then marinate chicken. Fry this about couple of minutes. And if you like, you can add more chicken. This should be just 1 more minute. Should be fine. Then transfer into a second dish. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. And ginger, garlic, onion, spring onion, and carrot, fresh coriander. I'm going to fry ginger and garlic first. Just 30 seconds. Then add finely slices onion, carrot, and pak choy, fresh coriander. Fry them all together 1 to 2 minutes. I don't want to overcook my vegetables. Here is an egg noodles. I have soaked them in hot water until softened and mix these all together. Then I like to add some paprika, but it's not necessary, but if you do, you can get more flavor, and some black peppers. And my beautiful homegrown bean sprout. Just fry them like just 30 seconds. And I got here stir fry sauce. This should be enough to mix with all the ingredients. And if you want, you can add more extra light and dark soy sauce. and cook chicken and egg back to a pan. And a small amount of sesame oil. And lastly, spring onion. Mix everything nice and gently. And pinch of salt. And now you can turn off the heat. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.